Oh, hey, Daniel.
What's up, man?
I was going to tell you about our next object we're going to use to shoot, but, you know, hold on, I'll be right back. I forgot something.
All right. I think I just found it.
There you go, he's clean now.
Got it?
Man.
Oh, here, it still works. Oh, look at that. Yeah, nice and clean. All right. It used to work a little better, so I had to get a new one. But, I'm Ryan,
I'm Daniel.
and today we're going to show you how deadly an electric razor can be. How are we going to do that, Daniel?
We're gonna shove it in Big Bertha and put 140 and see what it does.
Who is this? Who we're shooting at?
This is T-Bone.
T-Bone. T-Bone, you're going to meet Bertha and a razor at high speed. What do you think's going to happen?
I think if not ricochet, it'll do damage. I don't think it will blow it apart.
You think it's going to fly out straight or tumble?
I think it's gonna tumble.
I agree.
No aerodynamics.
Maybe just get a nice slap to the face, something like that.
Yep.
Put some extra scars on him. All right, let's get this going. All right, we're also gonna have this thing running just to see what happens. Whatever. Load it in live.
Live ammo.
Yeah. That's how we do it. Get in there.
That's Steve.
Who's saving the stick down?
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, we're ready. Here we go.
Oh,
Okay, what's the name? I forgot. T-Bone?
T-Bone.
T-Bone versus Braun Razor. Deadliest race in the world.
No, the slow-mo will tell. It must have tumbled and ricocheted.
And somewhere up here.
Yeah, I wish I had a camera on me because it hit me in the shoulder.
Oh, maybe you may have saw the chunk fly at you.
You know, I want to rewind that and watch that.
Okay, well, dang it. We can't get another shot out of this, can
No.
we? I don't even know where the head for that thing is.
It's over. It hit me. It's over there.
Oh, that's what flew at you. Hold on, come on. Yeah, flew right towards Daniel. Don't know where the razor is, but that's a waste. We need to. What are we gonna do with that?
Where's your plastic with the silver?
I got a soup can.
Let's do it.
Soup can.
Soup can.
We got soup can, tomato, I think, versus T-bone. 3, 2.
about the other shot? Are we done with it?
No, he's
We're
done.
done.
We're done? Alright.
That was good though. Shows you how deadly an electric razor can be, right, Daniel?
And a can of soup.
Yeah, man, don't play around with those things. Well, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Daniel.
And I'm Anthony.
Right. See.
It skipped. I called it.
You hit right off. See what happens when you use razors improperly? Brain damage. Oh my, look at it. Oh,